Hey everybody, hope you're all having a good one. It's a nice, pleasant day out here in the BC interior. Thought I'd show you guys the low maintenance chicken watering system that me and my wife built over the past few days because I think it's pretty useful and anybody with chickens could lower their workload a lot by having something like this. So let me show you what I did here. Okay, so basically this is the system right here. It's pretty straightforward. And previously what I had done to reduce my workload is I used PVC pipe systems to create a grit feeder as well as a food feeder for the chickens. So that's reduced my workload quite a bit. And I've also done another one like this inside the coop so that the chickens have a food source right inside the coop during the winter. But then I found myself changing their water out a lot, and I thought that's no good. I got to reduce the work around that. So I got this barrel right here, and a 50-gallon barrel is much better than a small kind of watering setup that you have to change every 3 or 4 days. In the long run, what I'd like to do is I'd like to put a gutter right here, and I'd like the gutter to feed into the actual barrel so that it refills with rainwater. But we get a lot of pollen and a lot of other things, so there'd have to be some kind of filtration on it, so I have to think of that separately. For now, I did this part and it reduces my workload a ton. So all I did was I got this barrel, I put a bulkhead through, I just had to cut a hole in it that was just barely the size of the bulkhead with a special piece. Then I used a string method to sort of feed in the bulkhead from the top and have it pop out through the hole. It was actually super simple when we were doing it. And then beyond that, there had to be a piece that sort of goes from half-inch faucet sizes over to PVC sizes. So that's this piece. And then I kind of just attach this half-inch PVC. And what does it do? It goes into the coop. And there it is. And it leads to these sort of red T's that I inserted into the pipe. These are by a company called Rent-A-Coop. I'll link to these in the description, but basically you put them into PVC pipes and you can attach either cups or nipples to them. I went with cups, even though that's a little bit more components, just because I felt that was a more natural way for the chickens to drink compared to nipples. And basically, as these cups empty, they automatically refill once again. So it's a really simple and easy and convenient way to feed chickens. And then over here, very important, I added a cap that can be removed so that this whole system for winter can be drained by gravity. Because obviously I'm in Canada, things get well below freezing, and you can't have an outdoor watering system like this in the middle of winter. During that part of the year, there's going to be some kind of heated water dish inside the coop over there. Looks like we got some eggs in there as well, so I better go in and deal with those. But yeah, that is the automated chicken watering system, or nearly completely automated. And at some point in the future, I will add the gutter piece and make it complete. And also I ended up putting this here just so that, I don't know, if I needed to, I know what I might need the water for, but might need it for something, so I added this splitter here. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope that was useful to you. It was super easy, literally just a little bit of cutting of pipes and fitting things together. If I can do it, anybody can. And now I only need to deal with the watering system once or twice a year when I drain it, other than, filling it with 50 gallons of water. So hope that was useful to you. If it was, subscribe, hit that like button. We'll see you all next time.